PMF Industries. It's what's so cool about manufacturing.
It's just a pride to see that something you manufactured in your shop that's actually being used out in the community. What's unique about PMF Industries is we have so many different processes that we make everything from ice cream machines that you've seen at Eater's Ice Cream all the way up to engine components for Rolls-Royce. Our parts go all over the world. PMF Industries is going every place. We sell product to Poland, Singapore, over in England.
Welcome you guys to Eater's Ice Cream. It's a third generation family business that was started by my wife's grandfather back in 1927. People have come here for generations, so they themselves as young kids came, and now they bring their kids, they bring their grandkids. What we're going to do is we're going to show you guys a little bit about the machines that we use to make the ice cream, and then we're going to show you kind of how to make the ice cream.
When we go back to PMF Industries, you'll actually see how the part is started off as a flat blank that's laser cut out. We'll deep draw it and do a process called flow forming, and then we'll wind up doing the final machining of that part.
PMF, it's a small company, and I enjoy working with a small company because I get to meet everybody. PMF has really grown me to understand people and to build a team for an end product. I know everybody on the floor by their first names, and I know their families, and I know who they are and what they're capable of. The skill set, you can go anywhere you want, from aerospace to defense to medical to filtration, is a great service globally.
Just being able to carry on a legacy of a tradition, my wife's grandfather's dream, and just trying to be part of that and trying to make it go for another generation.
And it's just a great feeling. You could kind of see the feeling in everybody's faces that we succeeded in what we wanted to try to achieve. At that point of the day, it's just overwhelming of how well we all come together and make the impossible possible.